Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. I have my daughter here, and we're going to be picking the person who's getting the Fort Worth Fabric Studios kit called Winter's Night. And I guess y'all have been watching my videos because I put like 3 of them up all on the same day. And also wanted to say I've added a couple other things to the box for my giveaway for the young lady, the Secret Santa. So I had a whole bunch of these we made one year, so I'm going to give her one of these little things here. It's just a little decoration, and then I'm going to give her.
But you, well, the kid.
Megan. I thought you did too. Okay, and then that little ornament that we made that one year, going to give her that too. So
I didn't make that either, so I don't have either one of those.
Anyway, oh well. All right, so we have 31 people. And my papers is a mess. 31? Yes. 31 right there. Okay. Everybody got their name on it. Okay. Now I'm half on and half off the thing here. Okay, well, that's all right. No, I just need to pull it one direction. Okay. 1 is the minimum, 31 is the maximum.
So there's the number generator. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Go. And the number is 13.
Lucky 13. Paula Sizemore, you are the winner.
Yay. Congratulations.
So, yes, congratulations. So I want you to send me your address and phone number to KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com. Of course, I'll put it up here at the bottom so that you know where to send it. And then as soon as I get it, which will probably be this coming week, if I get it this coming week, is going out Friday, because that's when my Secret Santa box has to go out on Friday. Okay?
And she's sending it out. I'm not. I have to work.
Yeah, I'll be off, so I'm definitely sending out in the morning. So, thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned for the little sew-along, okay? I'm looking forward to it. I feel like it's been forever since we finished with the last quilt. But, I mean, I know it hasn't been because I've been so busy doing other stuff. That's why it feels like it's been forever to do another one, so.
It's been forever since I've been on behind a sewing machine. I know that.
Exactly. So, okay, I'll see you next time, and after this video goes up, then we're going to, Sherry said that, yes, she wants to go ahead and we're going to open up the entire Bella Rose Advent. Oh. So
what did I agree to? I've already forgot.
So we'll just be showing everything that was in it. And if you don't want to watch it, I'll say that at the very beginning of the video, so there won't be any kind of spoiler for all those that got the box or don't want to see the whole thing opened up. I mean, I know that one girl, and I can't think of her name. It just come across my feed. It opened up the entire. No, hold on, I've got her name, but Jenny Doan, Missouri Star Quilt Advent. She opened it up, and I said to myself, I might as well watch it because I'm going to forget it because it's 25 different things. So she opened it, showed all of them, and now I'm watching 2 women, I believe, Carolina and Arkansas gals. On Andrea, I'm watching her. They're both doing it. And when it comes to the day to open it, I've already forgot what it was. It's not like I tried to retain it and keep it in my long-term memory. I just watched it for the minute there. And it's all good. Thanks for watching, and congratulations again, Miss Sizemore. And I'll get your information as soon as I can. Now, if I don't get it today or tomorrow, I'm undecided whether I'm going to do another drawing because they're time consuming and I don't have time. By the time I've worked 10-hour shifts, I'm beat by the time my day gets done. And I'm tired. I probably won't do it again. If she doesn't reach out for it, I'm just going to give it to somebody. Okay? That's it. Take care.
Paula, you definitely have to respond.
Yes, I'm pretty sure I got a good feeling she will.
All right.
Everybody else that knows her, you let her know that she won so she can give it.
Yeah. Yeah. Blow up her email, her YouTube channel, everything. Instagram, whatever.
If she doesn't, I'll be flooded with emails. Everybody else giving me their address and phone number
saying,
just pick me. Yeah. Okay. Till next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
I turned it on because she was ranting and raving because I didn't give her name. Does everybody know my daughter's name?
Well, do you know your name? But they know your name. You'll have to always say, it's Kathy from KathysKuteKreations. You know what I mean.
Oh, you still haven't said your name.
Sherry. But usually you say, this is my daughter. And then you did. And I was like, I didn't say anything.
Well, I could have slipped
I didn't want to interrupt you.
I could have slipped your name in at the bottom.
Yeah, you could have.
You were concerned. I wish I'd have kept that rolling because, boy, she was giving me hell. My gosh. Oh, yes, you were. And as soon as I turned it on, Shut up. Make us- okay. All right.
Embarrassing.
It's called life. It's not even embarrassing. See you next time.
Sherry. Bye.
Bye-bye.